Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by opening the browser that's currently in private mode. This is usually Samsung Internet or Chrome. Once open, confirm you're in Incognito by finding the mask icon or a label like Private. Make sure you've saved any important links because closing private tabs discards history and data. Now, tap the Tabs button to list all open sessions so you can see which windows are private and prepare to close them. Once in the Tabs overview, switch between regular and private tab groups. Private tabs often have a colored header or private label. To exit, close each private tab or use the menu option close all private tabs if available. On Samsung Internet, you can long press a private tab to remove it individually. Make sure you close every private window. Leaving one open keeps the browser in incognito mode. After closing, return to the main browser view to confirm. Finally, verify you've exited by checking the address bar for the mask icon. If it's gone, you're back in normal browsing. If the browser still shows private, clear the app cache. Settings apps Samsung Internet Storage clear cache, then reopen. If that fails, restart the phone or update the browser from Galaxy Store or Play Store. As a quick troubleshooting tip, rebooting usually clears stuck states. Make sure any app updates are installed to avoid.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.